Hello class 6, Monica ma'am here. I am going to start with Moral Science chapter 2 and the name of the chapter is Puppies for Sale. Whatever the message this story will give you, it will be a moral lesson for you. As we are going to start with the story, first you will see it is written over there below the name of the chapter. It is written over there empathy. What is empathy? Empathy is an ability to understand and share the feeling of others. Two different things are there in this chapter. You will see two different things are there. One is sympathy and another is empathy. What do you mean by the word sympathy? Sympathy means we are having good feelings for others. That is sympathy. But empathy is to understand and share the pain of others. This is the difference between the sympathy and empathy, and this chapter is based on empathy. So I would like to start with the chapter. A man had some puppies which he wanted to sell. He pointed a sign advertising the puppies and set about nailing it to a post on the edge of his yard. He pointing a sign advertising. Advertising means to publicizing something. He wanted to publicize the people that he is selling his puppies. So he put the advertisement on the edge of his yard. Yard, the outside limit of an area is known as yard. As he was driving the last nail into the post, he felt a tug on his pant. Means someone is tugging his pant. He feels that. He looked down and saw a small little boy with shiny eyes, with a beaming smile. What do you mean by the word beaming? Radiant smile. He said, I want to buy one of your puppies. Who said? Small boy asked to the person, a man, that I wanted to buy one of your puppy. The man got down from the ladder. Ladder, as you know what is ladder. Rubbed the sweat from his forehead and said, well, these puppies come from the finest breeds of dogs. What do you mean by the breeds? Breeds of dogs means kind of dogs or the types of dogs, and cost a good deal of money. Means man said to the small boy that the dogs are quite costly. The boy had dropped for a moment. Then, reaching deep into his pocket, he put his hand in the pocket and he just feel the money that is kept in the pocket. He pulled out a handful of change and held it up to the man. Whatever he was having in his pocket, he has taken it out and handed over to a man. I have got 39 cents. How much money he was having? 39 cents. Is that enough to buy a puppy? The little boy asked to a man, is that sufficient money to buy a puppy? Asked the little boy. Sure, replied the man. And with that he let out a whistle. Come on, brownies, he called. He called all his puppies called brownies, and he called them out. Come on, brownies. Out from the doghouse and down the ramp rolled 4 little balls of fur. Means the small puppies were quite furry. Furry means they were quite cozy type puppies. The little boy's eyes danced with delight seeing the cute little brown puppies. The boy was very delighted after seeing the puppies. As the puppies made their way to the fences, the little boy noticed something else. What different thing little boy has seen? Slowly another little ball of brown fur appeared. This one noticeably is smaller. Down the ramp it slid. Means he slid on the ramp. Then he somewhat awkward manner the little pup began hobbling towards the others, doing its best to catch up. Means other puppies were running here and there, but the small puppy, it was ramped on, it was sliding on the ramp, and somewhat in awkward manner he was walking. What do you mean by the word awkward? Not graceful. He was not walking properly. In awkward manner he was walking and hobbling towards the others. Hobbling means walk differently because of pain. He must be that puppy must have some pain in his leg. I want that one, the boy said. pointing to the limping puppy. What do you mean by the word limping? Limping means walking differently because of an injury. If any person is having an injury in his leg, definitely that person will walk limping. The man knelt down at the boy and said, boy's side and said, "Son, you should not take that puppy. He will never be able to run and play with you like these other dogs would." The man explained to the boy, "Do not take this puppy because it is limping and it is not walking properly, so it will not entertain you more as the other puppies will entertain you." With that, the little boy stepped back from the fence, reached down and began rolling up one leg of his trouser. What he has done, the small boy has removed his pant, lower area of his pant. He revealed a steel brace running down from both sides of his legs. Attaching itself is a specially made shoe because he was unable to walk properly. Small boy, he was having a steel made frame on his leg and a specially made shoe he was wearing. Looking at the man with thoughtful eyes, he said, "You see, sir, I don't run too well myself and he will need someone who understands him." Here he used he for the little puppy. Little boy said to the man that I also cannot walk well. So I would be able to understand the feelings of this puppy, and this puppy also needs someone to understand him. The world is full of people who need someone to understand them. How good it would be if we start emphasizing with others, especially the weak, and understand them. So this was the chapter. Small boy that could not walk well or properly, he chose a puppy that is also not able to walk well. He chose that puppy so that he can feel the pain of that puppy, and puppy also needs someone who can understand that one. Now we will see the reflection of this chapter is empathy. What is empathy? Empathy is the ability to experience the feeling of another person. Means we can feel the pain of others. That is known as empathy. It goes beyond sympathy. Sympathy is caring for and understanding the suffering of others. Sympathy is caring and understanding the suffering of others. But empathy is the ability to experience the feeling. In sympathy, we will only understand the pain or the suffering of the others, but in empathy, we will experience the feeling of another person. A person expresses sympathy but shares empathy. Of the two, empathy is the deepest feeling. Empathy is the deepest feeling. This was your chapter. Thank you, class. Have a nice time.